Myself Rajwaldi. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today we are going to discuss the topic projection of solids from CAED subject. So let's see. Advanced techniques in the projection of solids, a comprehensive overview. This presentation will explore advanced techniques in the projection of solids. Understanding these methods is essential for enhancing visualization and improving the accuracy of representations in various fields, including architecture and engineering. Orthographic projection is a method that represents three-dimensional objects in two dimensions. This technique uses multiple views, typically the front, top, and side views, to convey the object's dimensions and relationships accurately. Perspective projection techniques. Perspective projection creates a more realistic representation by simulating how objects appear smaller as they recede into the distance. This technique is crucial in fields like virtual reality and video game design for immersive experiences. See, these techniques are also used and they are crucial in the fields like video game designs, the way how they make the video game designing and virtual reality, all these things. This is very important, especially the perspective projection techniques. Conclusion and future directions. In conclusion, mastering advanced projection techniques is vital for professionals in various domains. The evolution of technology continues to influence these methods, and staying updated will ensure effective communication of complex ideas. So, let's see one question or one problem based on projection of solids by which we can understand the concept much more easier way.
So here we have the question. A square pyramid of base side is 35 mm. Okay, a square pyramid of base side is 35 mm and axis length is 65 mm, resting on HP, with one of its edge on the base, which makes an angle 30 degree with VP. Draw the projection of the pyramid if the axis is inclined to HP at 40 degree. So this is a problem in the projection of solids. We have to see how can we try to solve this question from the white answer. Okay, let's see how can we solve this type of questions. Okay, now if you see that he is giving that a square pyramid of base side is 35 mm. So first we have to construct a base square of 35 mm. Okay, let's construct it. First, draw the XY line like this. I'm just simply roughly drawing it. Okay. I'm just making it roughly. So it would be a more better understanding if you guys do along with me in the grid sheet or in the A4 size sheet or in a proper notebook. If you take down this and do along with me, you guys will just get to know it better, and you'll understand the concept what I'm teaching right here very effectively. So try to follow me. Okay, I'm just making the rough sketches. You just make it accurate as I will give you the instructions. Okay, let this be in the solids. Let it be VP, that is the vertical plane, and let it be HP, horizontal plane. So now we have to construct the square pyramid of base side 35 mm. So first we have to construct a square of 35 mm. Okay, like this. Take a line. Manually, how you have to do means just take a scale and pencil and you have to do 35 mm like from here, 35 mm from here, 35 mm from here, 35 mm from here. Okay, and give it the dimensions like this. Okay, let it be 35 mm. No need to mention any mm here. Okay, just I have written it for your reference. And just you have to make these diagonals intersect like this, and let it be O and let it be O1. Okay, this is done here. Now from here you have to project the lines upwards in the upward direction as it reaches the XY line. I am trying to make it as good as possible because I am not using the instruments, right? So it makes a little bit of difficult for us. Actually, the projection line must be in a thin line. Okay, you make sure that while doing it, the projection lines should be thin lines. Okay, make sure about it. I am trying to make it as good as possible. Okay, I know that the video can be a little bit of long, but you will understand the concept properly. Okay, yeah, project this line upwards. This marker is not working properly. Okay, give it the arrowhead. Give the direction to the projection line. It is projecting upwards. Now you have to take axis length is 65 mm. So from this point you have to take 65 mm length. Okay, now you make sure that the line should be a chain line. Okay, means it should be like this. Like this, it should be a chain line. Try to make sure that. Okay, from here if not, I will show you the best trick to make a chain line. Just draw a line and take the eraser and do it like this. So it's over. Now it is a chain line. How's that? Huh? Now make it, yeah, before going to that we have to give the annotations for whatever the square pyramid we have constructed. So first, whenever we are solving the question, we have to give the annotations. Okay, because it is having a specific name, right? Without a name, how can it be defined? I'll use another one. I have kept it for thick lines, but what to do? It is not at all working. So I am giving the annotations A, B, C, D. Now here A is visible, but D is not visible. As you can see in the pyramid, because of the slant edges, the back side it is not visible. So in the same way as here C and D are not visible, only A and B are visible. You have to make them inside the bracket. Okay, I will say you. Now here let it be A dash of D dash. Okay, and let it be B of C, like this. Now here let it be O. From here it is O and it is O1. Let's make it O. Okay. Now join these points manually, because here most of the people they'll show you how to do it in a computer. As you know very well, everyone, most of the YouTubers have done that, but most of the people don't know how to do it manually. Okay, doing it in computer carries more marks, so practice in computer, it's better for you. But still, I don't know why this marker is not working properly. Something happens with me. Every time I try to make the video, something happens. Okay, join these 2 points. Yeah, now it's over. I'm trying to make this look beautiful as possible. Okay. Next, what is the next step now? He is giving that resting on HP. Okay, it is resting on the HP as I have mentioned, VP and HP. It is resting on HP with one of its edge on the base. Okay, it's done. Next, which makes an angle 30 degree with VP. Okay, he is telling that it is making an angle 30 degree with VP. Okay, let's see whether we have to take 30 degree with VP right now itself. No, we'll take it later. We'll see about it later. I will tell you the reason why. You'll get to know automatically. Okay, no need to say. Draw the projection of the pyramid if the axis is inclined to HP. Now let's first take the inclination to HP, that is 40 degree. Okay, somehow we have to make this, the axis of this pyramid, inclined to HP at 40 degree. So how will you make it? By just taking 10 degree greater than the given inclination, that is a 40 degree. Okay, if you take 10 degree greater than the given inclination, it's a plus point for you. Okay, actually it's a whatever you feel, whether it's a short trick or whatever it is, but it can be easy method for us. Now in computer, what you will do, you have to just copy this and you have to move and you will do the same things. But here manually you have to take a line of 50 degree from here. Okay, take the protractor, keep it here and take 50 degree, and next you have to take this as a radius and you have to cut an arc. Okay, you will get AB. Okay, I hope you got my point. Now yeah, we have to make it as fast as possible. Okay, XY line should be straight, and these are the conditions. If you are using the instrument, you have to follow. Now from here, again it's a problem. Okay, from here take 50 degree angle and draw a line like this. We'll get something in the line like this. Okay, auto erase. Have you seen auto erase? Auto erase. So this is what is happening with me. Automatically it is erasing itself. The marker is not good. Okay, try to understand the point. Now A to B, from here let it be A. Now what you have to do, take this as a radius, cut an arc here. How you will take? Use a compass. By using compass you can do it. Okay, let it be A. I will take one itself. We'll get the point somewhere here. Okay, when you cut the arc, you will get the point somewhere here. Now take from A to O from here as a radius, and from here you cut an arc. You will get somewhere here like this, and again like this, and next join these points. Let it be A and let it be B. Okay, no problem. Okay, now let's draw the axis for this. Now, if you measure the angle with the protractor, here the axis and the XY line, the angle between the axis and the XY line, it should be how much? 40 degree as per the given condition. So it's over. Next, project the lines downwards. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you might feel that the video is a little bit of funny, but actually project the lines downwards like this. I don't know what's the problem with this marker. It's roasting me today. They project these lines downwards. And this one. So now A to A. Okay, this is the A, from A to A. Like that. And this is better, let us keep it as O dash, from O to O. And next, from B to B. Okay. I think so everything the requirements are met. Wait, here's another one. Now, this is O. From here you draw the line again. Project the line downwards. Like this. Join this. See, as I said that, only this region is visible, this much. This region is visible. And D and C, that region is not visible for the observer, okay? So, you have to make the lines invisible. How will you make it? By just giving it the dotted line. Instead of dark line, you give it the dotted lines, okay? Just simply like this. Okay, give the dotted line. It will indicate the invisible lines. Now, we have got a square. Okay, you will get the square. I am drawing a rough sketch, so I am getting a sort of rectangle here. So, you will get a square, okay. So here, the visible region, you make it thick. See, the visible region, you make it thick. And join these points. Okay. Give the annotation to it. Next. Now this, our second part gets completed. Now what's the next one? What could be the next part? So the next part here is with one of its edge on the base, which makes an angle 30 degree with VP. Now we have to make one of its edge on the base and make it the angle 30 degree with VP. Okay. Let's see how we can make it. So for that, again I'm taking the same marker. Yeah, let's check that construction when the angle 30 degree is inclined to VP. Now let's do it again, okay, for better understanding. Let's do it again. Okay, you took the 30 degree line. Now take, this is the radius, and cut an arc from here. You can ask the doubt that from where you are taking the radius. Okay? From C to D, man. From C to B you are taking the radius, okay? Cut arc from here, okay? It will be C. This is the invisible line. I will convert it later, okay? Whether you can convert now itself or you can convert it later. Now again, just take C to D as the radius. Cut an arc. You'll get somewhere here. Join this. Next, B to A. You'll get here. Join this. Again same. You got it. Now convert it into invisible line. Now take from C to O as the radius. Cut an arc. You'll get here. B to O. Again same. You got it here. Convert it. Connect it. I mean join the points. Okay, you got this. Okay. I hope it is visible for you guys. Now from here, project the lines upwards from D to D. Just D. Yeah. Actually, A of D it is. I have written the thick marker, right? So that's why it is making me confused. Let's see C. C is here. Let's send it up with the XY line. Okay, near the XY line. Let's send it. Next from A to A. Next from B to B. From O to O. Okay. Now you just join these points. See, while projecting itself, you have to give the annotations. Like this is from D to D, I have kept it D. Like from it is A to A, kept it A. It's AF, D dash. Next, B, C, D it is already given. Next it is O. From A. A it is this is with D, it will be A. No problem. Okay, we can make it like this. Now what's the next step? What we have to do next? Because this is what the main doubt most of the people they feel, okay? Instead of projecting from A, as it is going like this, let's project it from the center. Oh, okay. Let's project it from the center. Because we have to get the pyramid right, or solve it right. So that's what the reason behind this. It is a mistake where we have made this. So we come across the mistakes. So that's why we have to practice very well. The subject depends on how much you practice. Means most of the people just have a look at the notes and they just go to the exam. But never make such a mistake. You have to practice a little bit of once a taste, and next you have to go to exam. So you'll be able to face the questions fearlessly. If not due to the fear itself, most of the people they forget the answer. So now project this line upwards from here. Okay, just a slight difference. That's it. I understood the tip of this marker how it is actually. Finally, I understood this marker. Okay. Now you just join this from here. O it is, from join the points from here to here. Next. From here, from here, from here. Okay. Let's use the thick marker, okay? Where it is? Yeah, we got it. Let's use our thick marker. Let's complete this question now. Okay, you'll get a little bit of neatly. I'm just drawing a rough sketch, right? That's why it is showing you like that. Okay, we'll get it something like this, but this one will be a little bit of slant like this. Okay, you should make sure as I am drawing a rough sketch, so it is like that. I hope you understood this. So like this, our construction of a pyramid, square pyramid, has been completed. Okay, like this you can just simply do it. And yeah, you have to give the arrowhead for the projection lines as they are projecting from here. Let me use this tick marker itself. Okay, we have completed this question. So in this method, you can solve any question from the projection of solids from this method. In some questions, when he doesn't give the angle in the proper way, you have to take another angle. Okay, you have to take another one angle. You have to determine that, and again you have to construct this thing, this part. Okay, I will try to make it in another video. So till then, that's it for today. Bye bye. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. That's it. Bye bye. So this is the question what we have done. So make sure to take down if you have missed any part. Yeah, this is the question. Okay.